Now, we are going to talk about how these floods have affected Bukwo Town Council. You can see how it has made drainages. You can see and the road is destroyed. It is impossible right now. More especially many roads. You can see Bukwo Town Council. In Bukwo Town Council, we have like three main places that are affecting them. First of all, it is Kapkureson. Secondly, Rezarethle, it is impossible, it is impenetrable. It is only motorcycles that can pass. These are all these waters have affected this place. You can see how and Queen it can cause accidents easily. Now it has caused the terrain, even this side. Now these people have tried, these village people have tried their best. It is a wall fence to guard the soil from falling, you see, from up there, because these rains are not easy now. Now, I guess how it is. See, you people, you can bear me witness, and you see how the road has been affected. Now, I guess here is impossible. Here it is impossible. If you see also here, it is impossible. But a motorcycle can pass here, but it is very risky. See, there are stones here, and that is a whole ditch of it, and there are stones here whereby it can affect. So the government and the local government of Bukwo